Gentlemen, gentlemen, start your engines and don't leave a blade of grass standing.
Fire! They're charging towards us. Are they supposed to be doing that? Ooh.
But the trees.
Well, now, there's something you don't see every day.
I'm so sorry. I hate myself for cutting it down. Oh.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm paying you to cut trees down, not hug them.
Way to go, RC. You saved the valley.
Not me. The Agueros. They're the real heroes.
Wait, what about Boz Muzzle?
Oh, I think he's got his own problems right now.
But Mr. Brickjob, sir, just let me get a new crew, and I can...
Too late, Muzzle. The investors have pulled out, and I'm on the hook for millions. Huh? I believe you have some visitors.
Good afternoon. We'll be your driving instructors for today.
Aguero. Aguero. Aguero.